have a tractor. It is white with black strips. It has a big exhaust tube. It's brown. My tractor has 4 wheels. They are black with yellow discs. There is a farmer in a red cap at the wheel. He likes music. Three projectors over the farmer's head help him to illuminate his way. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Let's press the steering wheel and beep. Let's do it again. The farmer takes wild animals to the zoo. The farmer has a beautiful trailer. At the top, it's yellow, and at the bottom, it's green. Let's look at the animals in the trailer. This is a lion. It's yellow with an orange mane. It roars loudly. And this is a tiger. It's orange with black strips. Let's listen to the tiger. And this is a gray elephant with big ears and a trunk. It sings merrily. This is a brown bear. It can roar menacingly. Also, and this is a yellow giraffe. He says hello. And this is white zebra with black strips. She says hello. Our animals invite you to the zoo so you could visit with them. Please come.